Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick workout routine that you guys can do to lose tummy fat and possibly gain abs. So if you guys want to see that routine, please be sure to keep watching and let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we get into the video, I'm gonna just show y'all this is a workout I have been doing, and this is what my stomach currently looks like. Hold up. My sister's gonna work out with me, so we're going to go to a location that I'm not going to disclose. And yeah, see you guys when we get there. So when working out, I like to start with a good stretch. I work all the joints of my body, starting from my head all the way down to my feet. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior watching, I be on my 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 Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my Du Pointer. Once the stretching is complete, I just start with some standing bicycle crunches. We're gonna do 10 for each leg, which totals 20. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Now we're just gonna do some laying bicycle crunches. We're gonna do a total of 30, 15 per each leg. Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Now we're gonna do some side crunches with legs. We're going to do a total of 40, which means we'll be doing 20 for each side. I can't really see where did I miss. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some Russian twists, a set of 20. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers. Next, we're gonna do 10 butterfly crunches. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some side V sit-ups. We're gonna do 20 per side, so it's gonna be a total of 40. New killers, Next, we're gonna do a set of 10 side-to-side planks. Now we're going to do some crossover mountain climbers. We're going to do a set of 20, which is a total of 10 per leg. Okay, so I don't exactly know what this exercise is called, but we're basically going to bring the opposite hand and leg to meet at the middle while laying flat on the ground. We're going to do a set of 30, which totals in 15 per leg.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this.
Next, we're gonna do a total of 10 crunches with our legs up.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, this on God.
We're gonna do some crossover crunches, a total of 20, 10 per leg.
I can't really see where did I miss.
We're gonna do a total of 30 laying crisscross legs.
Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, this on God, on my mama, made a promise. Junior watching, I be on my. 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 Tell him this.
Now we're gonna do a total of 20 leg lifts.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, this on God, on my mama, made a promise. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my.
Now we're going to do a total of 20 bicycle legs.
Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my.
We're also going to do a total of 20 flutter kicks, 10 per leg.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss?
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to keep me updated with your progress in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Free, come on, keep